All right, here's a little tip for measuring shortening. I need 3/4 cup of shortening. So I have 1 1/4 cups of shortening in my cup here. And then I'm just gonna add shortening until it gets up to the 2-cup line. So that's 3/4 cup. And I'm right there. Just pour out your water and you've got your shortening measured. Then my brown sugar. This recipe is in our Dining on a Dime Cookbook, Volume 1 on page 355. You can see I use it often. 1 egg. And 1/2 cup of sugar. Mix all that up. Just got it going. Now I'm going to get my vanilla and water. It's my homemade vanilla. And I'm going to go ahead and get my salt. And my baking powder, no, baking soda. And my flour. This is a great way to use flour that is getting ready to expire or slightly expired. Don't be afraid of flour that's been expired. You will know if it smells bad, then it's not usable. All right, now I'm making this one chocolate chips for my boys. Here's a little tip. You do not need an entire bag of chocolate chips. This is the mini chips, and I'm only using 1/4 bag for an entire recipe. That way the chips get evenly distributed and you still get chocolate in each bite. Okay, got my oatmeal stirred in. Oh, yum. All right, I am reusing my parchment paper because I just had biscuits on it before. Now, you can use a spoon to put this on there, but I love using my ice cream scoop to get more even cookies. So that's what I use. All right, there we go. I put that in a 350-degree oven. Okay, so my chicken is kind of messing with my cookies here. So I'm gonna move them up here. See if they cook a little more evenly. Took them out of the oven, let them cool, and then I'm gonna take them off the tray. Oh my goodness, don't those look so stinking good. He got home from school, and what do you think? Delicious?
Never very good, yes.
Do you recommend the Dining on a Dime cookbook?
Yes, I do. There might not be any of these left by the end of the hour.
This one's broken, so I guess I'll have to do away with it.
It doesn't count for calories if it's broken, right?
No, it doesn't, as you can tell by my trim and fit waistline.
Today, we are making chocolate mint cookies. 4 ingredients, super simple. Take your eggs and your oil. You're going to whisk up your eggs, then add 1 package of chocolate cake mix and about a 1/2 cup of mint baking chips. And we're gonna stir this around. Then you're going to place by tablespoons on parchment paper or a greased cookie sheet and bake at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. There you have your yummy mint chocolate chip cookies. Let your cookies cool for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then they are ready to eat. This recipe is in our Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 2, on pages 278, 279, and 280. There are lots of varieties you can make. You can visit us at livingonadime.com to get the recipe and to get our cookbook below. Come and get it! Oh, delicious, yummy goodness. Today we're making our 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies from our Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 2, on page 284. We are going to start by setting our oven to 350 degrees. I've already been baking today, getting videos ahead, so it's already pre-warmed. Okay, we're going to take our egg, put it in, then our 1 cup of sugar. This is a 1/4 cup scoop. I just keep it in my sugar. It's just 1 of everything. 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, and 1 egg. This is 18 ounces, so I'm not going to even measure. 8 ounces is 1 cup, so I'm just going to do slightly less than half. I know, that's just living on the edge. You know me, dear, I like to live on the edge, right?
Yep. So it won't hurt the peanut butter cookies if there's a little more peanut butter, a little less.
Well, we'll see, won't we? Okay, get it all mixed up. Just like so. Now we're going to get our baking sheet. Now, I like to use the reusable Silpat mats, but you don't have to if you don't want to. You could use parchment paper or just grease your pan if you want. And then, oh, whoops, let me get some of this peanut butter all the way mixed in. Just a second. There's a little left. Okay, now, and just put them on each dot, and then you will have perfectly rounded and spaced cookies. And look at that, guys. I mean, we're talking, what, 5 minutes? Barely. Okay. Then we're going to put this in the oven. Now, if you want to make these chocolate peanut butter cookies, all right, who's been digging into chocolate chips again?
I haven't.
I think somebody has. Then these are mini chocolate chips. Just put them in the center like that, or mix it in with the peanut butter cookies if you want, and then you have chocolate peanut butter. Now we're going to put them in the oven. This recipe is in the description below, and our Dining on a Dime cookbooks are 25% off right now. Yum. Okay, you want them so they are slightly underdone on the cookie sheet because they will finish cooking on the cookie sheet. But I forgot to do the traditional crisscross with the fork on the tops. You think they'll turn out anyway?
I think they will. How do you do that?
Well, I'm gonna mess up my baked cookies, but you go and then it makes the crisscross like in the picture there.
Oh, nice.
So we will let these cool and then we will do a taste test.
One of these things are not like the others.
Okay. You want it, oh, oops. You want it lightly browned on the bottom. Okay, I can taste test this one because they're gluten-free and dairy-free. Oh my goodness. They're real hot. I feel really hot. Oh. Okay, these are really good. So watch this video next, guys. Delicious.